Want to make your Tesla Model Y truly yours? One of the easiest ways is to give it a custom name. This video will guide you through the simple steps to personalize your Model Y's name and profile, making it easier to manage and identify, especially if you own multiple Teslas. This personalization integrates with other features, making your Tesla experience even better. The most straightforward way to change your Model Y's name is through the Tesla app on your smartphone, available on both iOS and Android. Open the app, select your Model Y, and navigate to the Vehicle section. From there, tap Controls, then Vehicle, and you will find an option labeled Name. This completes the navigation to access the renaming feature. Once you've located the name field in the Tesla app, simply tap on it to edit. A text field will appear, allowing you to enter your desired name. You can use up to 20 characters, and even include emojis or special characters to add a unique touch. After entering the new name, confirm the change. The update should sync to your Model Y almost instantly, provided it's connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. Alternatively, you can change your Model Y's name directly through the car's central touchscreen. Start by accessing the main interface where you see the controls and vehicle information. Navigate to the Controls menu on the touchscreen. This is where you'll find various vehicle settings. Tap on Controls to open the Settings menu. Within Controls, select Vehicle to access vehicle-specific options. Then select Name to edit the vehicle's display name. Type in your new name and tap Confirm. The change takes effect immediately. This method is handy if you don't have your phone nearby or prefer to make changes directly in the vehicle. Let's understand the fundamentals of vehicle naming in your Tesla Model Y. Every Tesla has a unique Vehicle Identification Number, or VIN, which serves as the official identifier for the vehicle. This VIN is used for important purposes like registration, service records, and tracking by Tesla and authorities. When you change your car's name, you're creating a user-defined alias that appears in the Tesla app and on your vehicle's touchscreen. This alias makes it easier to identify and manage your specific Model Y, especially if you own multiple Teslas. Importantly, this custom name does not alter or replace the official VIN in any way. The name you choose appears in various places within the Tesla ecosystem, helping you quickly recognize your vehicle in the app's interface and making interactions more personal. This customization creates a stronger bond between you and your electric vehicle, turning it from just a machine into something that feels uniquely yours. Keep your chosen name under 20 characters to avoid display issues on smaller screens and interfaces. While emojis and special characters are supported, some interfaces might not render them correctly. Always test your chosen name to ensure it displays as expected. Remember that all name changes are logged for security purposes in your Tesla account. This helps maintain a record of modifications for your protection. This feature is standard across all Model Y trims, including standard range, long range, and performance models. No additional cost or upgrades required. Personalizing your Tesla Model Y's name enhances its integration with your Tesla profile, creating a more tailored driving experience. The custom name ties directly into driver profiles, allowing the vehicle to remember your preferred seat positions, climate settings, and even full self-driving behavior specific to that name. Your personalized name appears in Sentry Mode alerts, making notifications more personal and identifiable. When the system detects activity around your vehicle, alerts will reference your custom name, helping you quickly recognize which of your Teslas is involved. The custom name is also visible when using summon functions for remote control. Whether you're calling your vehicle to park itself or summoning it from across the street, the personalized name makes the interaction feel more intuitive and connected to your ownership experience. For owners with multiple Teslas, custom names help differentiate vehicles in the app, improving organization and user experience. Studies show that personalized vehicles lead to higher app engagement and overall satisfaction, with owners reporting a stronger connection to their electric vehicles. Tesla's personalization features are constantly evolving. Future updates may include AI-driven name suggestions based on driving habits. Cross-platform syncing with other Tesla products, such as wearables and home integration devices, could also incorporate the vehicle's name, further connecting your Tesla to your digital life. The possibilities are endless.